There comes some time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying, oh, and it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can go on pretending day by day, oh, there's someone somewhere that needs a change. I like Tina Turner. Well, holla, Papa, my great big family. There's a choice, you know, his love is all we need. Michael Jackson. I am the world. We are the children. We are the ones that make a brighter day. So let's start giving. There's a choice to make, and we're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day, yeah. It's you and me. All right, here we go. You knew it was a party when this song came out, right? Because all of a sudden they decided to join up these people, like this couple coming up, Dionne Warwick and Willie Nelson. Walk in your arms, so they know that someone there, and the life will be stronger and free. The God has shown us. My done it on the bread, Algero. And so we all must lend a helping hand. Bruce Springsteen. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a better day. So let's start giving. Steve Perry. There's a choice to make us. And we're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day. It's you and me. When you're down and out, you see no hope at all. Here we look. But if you just believe, there's nowhere we can fall. Cindy Lauper. That hurts. And then you got that other tit on. What's her name? Kim Carnes. Yeah, she's like, and we must stand together as one. We are the world. Everybody sing, we are the children. We are the ones that make a brighter day. So let's start giving. Here we go, Bob Dylan. There's a choice to making that will save our own life. It's true, we make a better day. Just you and me. Okay, I gotta try this one right now. This is for Melissa and Joe. We are the world. We are the world. We are the children. We are the children. We are the ones that bring about a day. So let's start giving. I like Ray Charles. There's a choice of making. I'm saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day. Just you and me. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves. My name is Willie K. Big round of applause for Mr. Tony Solis, ladies and gentlemen, our MC of the evening. The Pakele Lounge, the Hotel Ala Moana, ladies and gentlemen. And also for Polly and Sachi on Dokogan TV. Thank you very much, everybody. Thanks for coming out tonight. You make me feel real good inside. Love you. Oh, just you and me. God bless everybody.
Wow. Pakele Live's first standing ovation. Willie K, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you watching, once again, Ala Moana Hotel, you got to check it out. Pakele Live. Again, thanks to Brother Polly, Lavanette, Also, Alamon Hotel, Grand Keith, thank you guys so much. Uncle Willie K, ladies and gentlemen, God bless, and aloha.